In this training video, we will discuss the process of conducting spot and block repair in auto refinishing. There are three common ways in conducting paint repair: spot repair the base coat and spot repair the clear coat. Spot repair the base coat and block repair the clear coat. Block repair the base coat and block repair the clear coat. Spot repair is usually done when the damage is small and located near the edges of the panel. Block repair is preferred if the damage is located in the middle of the panel. Next, we will discuss the typical auto refinishing process. Clean the vehicle first with soap and water to remove dirt that may cover up damaged areas. This will make damage assessment easier and also prevent carrying of dirt into the spray booth. When assessing the damage, you may use any or combinations of the three common damage assessment methods: straight edge method, light reflection method, hand method. Degreasing removes oils and other solvent-soluble residue adhering on the substrate. Properly degrease the damaged panel to be repaired by wiping it with a cloth soaked with degreaser, then following up with a clean dry cloth. Mask or cover areas not involved in the repair. Use NAX Eco masking tape to ensure that no paint will penetrate the tape and no adhesive residue will remain once the tape is removed. Remove the existing paint film over the damaged area using NAX Pro Disc P120. For every thick films, you may use NAX Pro Disc P80, followed by NAX Pro Disc P120. Make sure that all areas sanded with P80 are sanded down with P120 to avoid sanding marks. Feather edge the surrounding area using NAX Pro Disc P220. Conduct degreasing to thoroughly clean the repair area. To prepare the epoxy primer, mix in a beaker, 3 parts Metal Guard Epoxy Primer Gray, and 1 part Metal Guard Epoxy Hardener by volume. Mix well. Then, thin down the mixture using 30 to 40% epoxy primer reducer. Filter the paint using 150 mesh filter cloth while transferring it to the spray gun. Apply the epoxy primer over the exposed metal of the repair area. Using appropriate spray gun setting and spray technique, make sure to limit the area covered by the epoxy primer. Allow the epoxy primer to cure for 8 hours under ambient temperature, or use infrared lamps to heat the repair area to 80 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After curing, sand the epoxy primer with NAX Pro Disc P120, then feather edge the sanded area with NAX Pro Disc P220. Conduct degreasing to thoroughly clean the repair area. To fill the dents on the repair area, use appropriate body filler or putty. In this video, we will use NAX Eco Body Filler. To prepare it, measure out sufficient amount of NAX Eco Body Filler onto a mixing pallet. Add 2 to 3% by weight NAX Eco Body Filler Hardener. Then knead or fold the hardener into the body filler with a putty knife, making sure not to incorporate bubbles into the mix. Apply the putty over the dented area using a putty knife. Do not apply a too thick amount of putty in just one application. Build up filling the dent in order to ensure compactness of the body filler and that no air pocket is present. Allow the body filler to cure for 15 minutes. Sand the body filler using Nax Pro Disc P120 followed by Nax Pro Disc P220. Conduct degreasing to thoroughly clean the repair area. To prepare the primer surfacer, mix in a beaker 4 parts Nax Superior Primer Surfacer Gray and 1 part Nax Superior Primer Surfacer Hardener. Mix well. Thin down the mixture with 30 to 40% Nax Superior Fast Drying Thinner. Then, mix it well. Filter the paint using 150 mesh filter cloth while transferring it to the spray gun.